Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an 18-minute full body bar sculpting class. Before we get started, just make sure you have a light set of weights, an optional mat for the floor, as well as a chair or some sort of support that you can use as a fake bar for today's class. So grab those things and we'll go ahead and get this party started. I want you to start with your feet slightly wider than the hips, engage through your core, roll the shoulders back, take a big inhale, up. Exhale down. Connecting with our breath, getting everything woken up and ready to move. Release one more time. Hold this one at the top. Bring those hands into a prayer. We're gonna squat. Down, press back. Down, press back. Just getting our heart rate up right off the bat. 4 more. 3, 2. Now hold the next one at the bottom. Take a little pause. Pulse, pushing your feet into the ground. Relax the shoulders down your back. Take those arms, sweep them back and around your spine. Activate your triceps, squeeze your upper back together. Good, now we're gonna sink and then squeeze at the top. Go sink, squeeze, like you're catching a little ball in front of the body and then right behind the spine on that squat. Down, up. Good. Now we're gonna add a little twist here. You're gonna sink down, twist and lift the right knee, down, twist and lift the left knee. Waking up the core. Down and reach. Finding that flat palm press. Give me 4 more. Sink and press. 3. We have 2. Last one. Good work, you guys. Grab onto those weights. We're gonna head into some upper body work. Draw those arms at 90 degrees. Palms are gonna face up. We're gonna find a curl, halfway drop. Serve the platter, pull it in. Do it again slow for me. Bicep work here. Serve it out. Now we're gonna speed that up 1 count. So we curl, we reach, we curl. Soften in your knees. Keep your core engaged. Lift, lower, reach. Good, lift, lower. We have 4 more total. Up, reach. Keep breathing, keep pushing. Last 2 right here. We have a little challenge. Last one, you're gonna hold the platter serve, hold it at the top. Soften in the elbows, little lift, lift. Up and up, you're here just 4, 3. Now tap the weights together, just 4 times. 3, shoulders down. 2, good, last one. Carefully drop those elbows down, slide the palms out, slow curl. Up for 2, down for 2. Serve the platter, pull it in. 1 more time, lift for 2, lower 2, serve it out, and in a little bit faster. We curl, drop, reach, squeeze, curl, drop, reach, and squeeze. Whew. Keep breathing. 4 more like this. Here's 4. You've got it. 3. I'm with you guys. Those arms are still slightly in front of your body on that little reach. Good, last one. Hold it out. You know what to do. Freeze right here. Little pulses up. Just 8. Just 6. We've got 4, 3, 2. We're gonna tap those arms. 2 counts in, 2 counts open. You have 3. And push. Woo! Breathe. Last 2. Last one. Hold it in the center. Drop and hinge your waist forward. Palms face one another. Arms are long. We're gonna fly the arms open and drop, and then narrow row. Elbows lift to the ribs. Drop. Again, we lift for 2. Lower 2. Pull it up. Press long. 1 count. Speed it up. We lift. Open, close, row, and drop. Open, close, row, drop. Whew, you guys, that upper body should be feeling nice and strong, nice and warm. Lift, lower, row, and press. Give me 4. Pull. Give me 3. Last 2, let's go. Up, down, squeeze last one all the way through. Hold those elbows up at the top. Tricep extension, reach back for 2. Curl in for 2. Reach back for 2. Curl in for 2. Keep it going. Big reach. And squeeze. Reach. And squeeze. We're here for 4. And squeeze. You've got 3. Good, squeeze. Final push. 2 more. Last one. Hold those arms straight back. Take a little tap to the sky, just here for 8. 6, we've got it, y'all. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release your arms, roll your shoulders back. Go ahead and set those weights down and go find your support for some thigh work. All right, you guys, take one hand on the support. Feet are gonna be hip width apart and parallel. We're gonna rise up to the tiptoes, bend our knees, and sink the seat down. Nice heavy tailbone. 2 counts to lower the legs. Down for 2. Up for 2. Down for 2. So you're keeping those knees and hips and toes all in one line here. We're targeting the tops of our thighs, the quads. All the way down, 2 counts. Heels are high, core is engaged, shoulders are over those hips like you're gliding up and down a wall. 2 more here. Last one, we're gonna hold this one at the bottom. Lowest point, inner thighs, just squeeze in and out. Squeeze and open. Inner thigh work. Keep breathing, keep pushing. We have 4. We have 3, 2. Now hold it hip width apart, little pulses down. Pulse, pulse. Weight is in that big toe on the balls of those feet. Stay here for 8. You've got it. 6, keep pushing. Now we have 4, 3, back from the top, 2 counts to sink it down. Down for 2. Woo! Second set. Final set in this position, so don't give up now. Lower and lift. Lower and lift. 4 more. Sink. Breathe. 3. Whoo! It should burn. It should shake a little. Totally normal. Last one. Hold it low. Squeeze those inner thighs right here for 8. 7. Keep breathing. 6. We got it, y'all. Keep pushing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Little pulse. Down and down. Whew. Our final set of pulses. Last 8. 6. You made it, y'all. Last 4, 3, 2, on 1. Take your feet a little bit wider than the hips. Just drop back, up, down, and up. Just resetting your mind, resetting your body. Moving on to a little glute work right after this. Stay with me. Last 2. Last 1. Bring your feet back hip width apart. Draw that right heel into the seat. Push that knee back so it's underneath this right hip. Tuck your hips under. We're just gonna lift and open this knee. Lift for 2. Lower 2. Lift for 2. So you're opening up in that hip and we're activating this outer glute here. Down. Squeeze to lift. Woo! Option to take that arm straight out to the side. Hold this next one up at the top. We're gonna find a little pulse. Lift up and up. Like that leg is almost wrapping around a tree trunk behind your spine. Engage your core. We have 8. We have 6. Keep your posture proud. So good. Hold the lift. Flex the foot. Push it back for 2 on that diagonal. Curl it in for 2. Like you're pushing something away and then bend that heel back in. Reach, reach, reach. Curl, curl, curl. Reach. Option to take that arm in front of your body now. 4 more. Squeeze. 3 more. Keep a soft bend in your supporting leg. Last 2. You got it. Last one. Holding that leg straight back. Option to hinge forward. Lift that heel up, up. Reaching out the fingertips. Find length in your body. Stretch that leg 1 inch longer. We're here for 8. For 6. You've made it. 4, 3, 2, on 1. Drop that leg down. Take those feet wide. Find your squat. Down, up, down, and up. We're here. Just 4. Just 3. We made it. Yeah, we have one more side left, and then we head to the ground. Hold it up at the top. Whew. Reset your mind, reset your body. Bring those feet back hip width apart. Opposite leg bends in towards that seat. Shift that knee back, tuck your hips under. Option to take this arm and reach it straight to the side. Start to lift that leg too. Count, we lift. We lower. Opening up that hip. Squeeze. Soft bend in your supporting leg. Full body work here, but we're targeting our outer glute on that second side. Keeping our breath connected to the movement. Think exhale up. Inhale, lower. Last one, hold this one at the top at your highest point. Little lift to the beat. Up. Stand tall, stand proud. Woo! We have 8. We have 6. You're here for 4, 3, 2. Flex the foot, kick the heel, back for 2, bend for 2. Kick on that back diagonal, curl in. Keeping the openness in our hip here, so we still feel the work in that outer glute. Reach. Option to reach that arm straight in front of your shoulder. 4 more. Curl. Good. 3. And curl. 2 more all the way. So close, you guys. Last one. Hold that leg straight back. Option to hinge over that bar. Little lift. Up. Up. Lift and lift. Woo! So good, so strong. We're here for 8. Finish proud. Last 4, 3, 2, on 1. Take your feet wide. Squat and lift. Down and up. Inhale and exhale. Push into those heels. Just 4. Just 3. We have 2. On 1. Take a stretch at the top. Lose your chair, you guys. We're gonna head down to the mat and finish with a little bit of mat work. All right, you guys, we're gonna head onto our backs. Grab your weights. We're heading into some glute bridges. Rest your back flat, feet in line with your hips. Take the weights on top of your hips. That head stays flat to the mat. Take the left leg, extend it up to the ceiling, flex that heel. Breathe, we're just gonna press the hips 2 counts. Lift the hips, lower down. If it feels better, you can take both the weights on the supporting leg, the one with the foot on the ground. Push it up. Lower down. So we're working the glute on that supporting leg. Let's hold this one at the top. Take the hips down 1 count. Just tap, press, tap, and press. Lower, squeeze. Lower, squeeze. We're here just 4. Good, just 3. We've got 2. Hold this one at the top. Little pulses up. Just pulse. Pulse. Woo! Feel the fire. Breathe into that work. We're here for 8. 6. Good. Last 4. 3, 2, on 1. Carefully drop that foot. Drop your hips down. Switch the weights onto that opposite hip. Extend the right leg up. Flex the heel. 2 counts. We lift. Up for 2. Down for 2. Woo! Lift for 2. Lower for 2. You got it. Big push. And lower. Keep it going, y'all. 2 more. I lied. We've got 2. On this next one, you're gonna hold those hips up at the top of your space. 1 count to tap it down for 8. 7, 6. Are you breathing? We have 4. We have 3. You've got it. 2. Hold the 1. Next one at the top. Little pulses. 8. 6. Good. We have 4. 3, 2, on 1. Drop the foot. Drop the hips. Set the weights off to the side of your space. Let your knees just fall side to side. Little windshield wiper. Whew. Breathe and open up that spine. We're heading into some core work to finish it off today. Take your legs to a tabletop. Zip them together. Reach the weights up and over the shoulders. Right arm, left leg out for 2. In for 2. Switch it. Bring it in. Reach long and squeeze. If you need to take this a little bit slower, totally fine. We're working those deep core muscles. You want to keep your back connected to the mat. Connect to the breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Big reach. Final few minutes of class here to just hone in on the core. Last one. Good, hold it right here, upper body curls. 4, 3, 2, hold those shoulders high, tap the toes, lift, tap the toes, and lift. We curl. 4, 3, 2, hold the shoulders up, tap, down, squeeze to lift, down, keep it going, y'all. 4, 3, 2, hold the shoulders high, little tap, little squeeze, tap, and squeeze, let's go. 4, tap those toes down, and down. 4 more sets. Are you breathing? Tap, down, up. 3 more. We got it, y'all. Keep pushing. Tap, squeeze. Final 2 right here. Let's go. Tap it, down, up. Final chance right here. Last 4, 3, 2, tap it down. Good, you guys. Rest your head, rest those weights down, rock and roll yourself up. Meet me in a high plank to finish. Hands under your shoulders, tuck the hips under, press the shoulders away from your ears, isometric hold. Just breathe and hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, we got 4, 3, last 2, on 1, press those hips, downward dog, lift it up. Pedal out those knees. Start to walk your feet in to meet your hands. Hang over those legs. Take a soft bend into the knees. Rebuild that spine. Woo! Face the front. Take a big inhale with me, just like we started. Exhale, let it go. Give yourself a big round of applause, you guys. Hope you enjoyed today's barre sculpting workout. If you did, let me know in those comments below. We'll see you back next time.